Hi everybody, I'm back again here at the bench, and this is my next kit up for review. It's the AMT 62 Thunderbird convertible. There was a car that I saw back in I guess the 70s that was similar to this. I knew a fellow that had one. It was a black roadster with the convertible top, and the trunk used to open up backwards, and the convertible top would recede into the trunk. So I'm going to do it to paint it like that, be gloss black. I can't remember for the life of me what color the interior was. So I may start with white and go from there, either white or black probably. I've got all the parts out here. I've got the chrome tree. I just got it open, I haven't taken them out yet. The 4 tires, and it's got the red tail lights. Looks like 4 of them. And it's got 5 white inserts for the white walls for the tires, although it's only 4 tires. It's molded in a very light gray. It's a good size car body. Got the hood, the convertible top, lots of parts here. I've seen a couple of videos on this. I've been looking at other builds on YouTube, and there's mention of quite a few fit issues. There's decal sheet is just the license plates. I thought there might be some gauges, but there's nothing there. And a very basic, I guess, instruction sheet. There's one fellow was saying that there's not much detail on the instruction sheet where things go. So anyway, we'll have a go at this, and we'll see how it turns out. Okay, I'm back again here with an update on my build here for the 62 Thunderbird. I've pretty much got everything done in Stynylrez black primer. I've gone over the exhaust system here in gunmetal and silver on the mufflers, gunmetal on the rear springs, and the more exhaust, the drive shaft. I've got the dashboard detailed up a little bit here. I just brushed some silver paint on there where the aluminum would be, and the Molotov chrome around the gauges. I just painted the gauges black and went in with a white pencil and to highlight the markings, and then put some future over that. The engine's all put together. Again, it's all done in black, but I did the transmission in silver. Pull that out of there. I got the chrome valve covers on and the air filter. I've just done everything pretty much in black, and some is glossy and some is flat. I've done a satin varnish over the seats and the door panels. Let me get this back here somewhere. I left the roof, I might do it white. I did the inside black, just flat black. I've done I got the front end on here, the steering and linkages. I've just done all that in black primer as well, and covered that with mop and shine. Gives it a dull finish in the interior. Right now the body and the hood and the tonneau cover are just in Stynylrez black primer. I haven't decided whether just to put future right over that or try to put some Craft Smart gloss black paint on first. It's been having difficulty getting a really nice smooth gloss black finish, so I'm just debating on what the next step is for that. So I guess while I'm waiting for that decision, I'll go ahead and start putting some of these assemble the chassis with some of the exhaust and drivetrain parts, and just again beginning the assembly process. Okay, back again. Got most of the assembly done. I got the engine in, the interior side door panels, dash, seats, console, steering wheel is all in, glued in place. I got the exhaust and suspension rear axle in, and everything's all hooked up. I just have to gloss paint the body now and get it on. So so far it's going along well. Got a few other parts here to put in, the heater and rad hoses, engine support, radiator, battery, and windows and chrome parts and bumpers and such. So it's going along pretty well, and everything's black except probably the roof is going to be white on the outside, the convertible top. As best as I can remember, it seems like this is the color that it should be, for what I remember, and just different shades with the satin on the seats and door panels, and flat on the floor, and gloss on the body, and just different shades of black. So stay tuned, see how it turns out.